All right, it's gonna be a busy day. It's Friday, yay! So we've got a lot to do today. I've got to edit some videos and do blog posts. I do need to do the videos. Blog posts are a little low on the priority, but I think I can do some while videos are uploading and stuff. Then today at lunchtime, we have a focus group, it's called. It's for other homeschoolers. This is our back to school, get to know you lunch event at the park. So I'll take the girls to that. I got to make a salad or something to take to that as a potluck. Homeschool wise, today is home ec and tech day. So home ec, I'm gonna have the girls help me make the salad for the focus group. So that'll be part of the Addie's cooking stuff today for home ec. And tech, I'm debating. We got a bunch of different little gadgets for Bella. So I think I might let her pull one out and kind of explore and play with it today. Then freeze dryer. Oh, I've got that. That's emptied and defrosted now. So I need to put the peaches in it. And tonight we have our couples game night that we do once a month. We do a couples game night. We try to have 8 or less people. So like 3 other couples and us, 2 to 3 other couples and us. And it's just a fun couples only game night. We can kind of relax and have fun and play games with just adults. So our couples game night, we do a theme every month. So this month, and the theme's always around the food because the games rotate and we do different games each time. But the theme this time is sliders. So I'm really excited about that. Sliders, we've done all sorts of different things. We've done wings, we've done rolled foods, we did stuffed foods, we did chicken nuggets and french fries. That was kind of fun. Everybody brought chicken nuggets and fries from different places around town. What else we did? Rolled foods, stuffed foods, chicken nuggets, wings. Anyhow, this time is slider. So today I found kind of a cool idea. I'm going to tweak it, of course, but I'm going to do turkey sliders. So I've got the Hawaiian rolls, and I'm going to do like some cream cheese and then some cranberry sauce and turkey meat and provolone cheese. Anyhow, I'm thinking they're going to be really good. So that's tonight. And I got to put a roast in for the kids tomorrow. Tomorrow, my friend and I are driving up to go pick up our cow, our beef that got butchered. It's about a 3-hour drive each way. So we're going up and back for the day tomorrow to get that. So I figured I'm going to throw one of the old roasts in the crock pot tonight so that by tomorrow night, the kids can eat it for dinner or, us, whatever. And it's an easy dinner because the old meat needs like a full day on low to be edible. So that's where we're at. That's how the day is starting today on Friday. All right, I haven't crossed everything off my list, but I got it all done. We had our couples game night tonight. Everybody just left and it is time for bed. It was a really productive day.